Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off reader mode on iPhone. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up my browser, and if you want to turn off the reader mode, I'm going to just go ahead right here, and if you want to turn off, just either tap triple A, or sorry, double A capital, and then hide reader. Reader will appear if you refresh the page, or toggle off the use reader automatically setting to turn it off permanently. You can also automatically enable reader when you visit your favorite website. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click the double A capital, and what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see the reader right here, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on the show reader, and so I can or double click it if you actually turned on the show reader, and basically you're gonna be able to toggle it off by double clicking it. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.